TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now down 40. You get the NASDAQ flat. S&Ps are down 6.5. Gold contract is trading up $14.50 at 11.37. You have silver up 16 cents at $14.60. Platinum's up 20 at 1,019. You got copper up 2 pennies at $2.35 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $42.44 after going a couple dollars yesterday, up a couple dollars. Bonds, folks, the bond market, it just has consistently given out so much information on a consistent basis. It's amazing. The 10-year right now is up 11 ticks, 128.10. 30-year is up 28 ticks, 157.24. Both the 10 and the 30 are going topside once again with volume. What does that dictate? That dictates and indicates that the S&Ps are topped out. King dollar. King dollar's up 223 ticks. That's trading at 95.88. The euro is down 9 at 112, and the yen is down 10 at 120. Now, if we go over to the S&Ps and we take a look at the S&Ps, and I'll use the future on the S&P, what you're going to have is this, okay? And this is so cool what just came down here. The future, it got over the high of yesterday. I expect what you're going to see, and by the way, what you had yesterday is this. We got up high, light volume going into the downdraft that was on the 21st. Today, what I expect you're going to see lighter volume. You're going to see that the high can't hold, and what that's going to set up is that's going to set up the next leg down as inside the next few weeks. Inside the NASDAQ futures, same setup in the NASDAQ futures. The NQs have got to a price point of 43.40. You're at 43.12 right now. You got over the high. I expect you're going to close under the high. You're going to have lighter volume. Gold contract. What's gold showing? Gold showing it wants to go topside. Bottom line is they couldn't whack it down again. Gold out here today, you have done 84,000 contracts. We're at 1134. That is making its way back topside into this 1169 area. Bonds are giving the best indication as to where the market's going. The 10-year, what the 10-year had done is this. The 10-year, the last 2 days, came down, and it came down with some juice. On Tuesday, we came down, on Wednesday, rather, we came down with 2.8 million contracts. We didn't reach a swing point. Yesterday, what you did, you got down to a lower low at 2.3 million. Rejected the low. Now we're going topside once again. We're at 128.07. The 30-year, same type of setup in the 30-year. What has happened with the 30-year is this. 30-year is up 23 ticks right now. 30-year also had come down with some real juice. It made a high out there with 510,000 contracts. It backs down with 546,000 on Wednesday. It tests that area Thursday with 462. That's what it had to do. Bottom line, it's going topside once again. What does that set up? As the bonds go topside, it's basically generating and saying, guess what? This S&P wants to come back downtown. King dollar. Let's go over to take a look at King dollar. What we have with King dollar is this. King dollar is trading out at a price point of 95.91. The number to keep your eye on is 95.80. And what that number is, folks, is that's where we basically broke down from. Yesterday was testing that area, and it did it with 55,000 contracts versus 65,000, versus 61,000. It failed. I expect you're going to see another failure out here today inside that number. You can expect the volatility, the high volatility to continue. You can expect that as we move into the end of the trading day out here today, you're going to see more selling, and what you're going to have is this. You're going to have a higher high with lighter volume. The counter trend bounce that you saw is over. What we did do yesterday also, which is just amazing, is that intraday you went down, so you get a high volume swing intraday. You get the high volume swing from the 21st. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock Monday morning.